Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment option on StubHub. If you don't have a StubHub account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Settings. On this page, you will see a section for payment options for buying tickets. Under Payment Options for buying tickets, is an option that says Add New Payment Option. Click on Add New Payment Option. On the pop-up window, select a payment type, either a debit card, credit card, or PayPal. In this video, I'm going to add a debit card. Next, enter the card info and a billing address. After entering, click on the Save button. That's how you add a payment option on StubHub. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.